Dear students, today I am going to tell about a very important topic of the population characteristic, that is sex ratio. In this picture you are getting to see the male and female number are not same here. So here we will get to know why the girls are very less in comparison to the number of the boys. Okay, so here the sex ratio means the ratio between the number of females per thousands of male. So we will get to know why the number of females are very less in our country. What are the reasons working behind this? Actually, in this century, we are getting to see people also prefer boy child in comparison to the girls. So here's some reasons behind this. People prefer to have a boy child rather than a baby girl. People go through prenatal sex determination test in a basically clinic, and then they do the abortion. Sometimes they also do that feticide, and sometimes due to malnutrition the children and the girl child also die. Even domestic violences for that dowry system, and sometimes we also have seen they are not having equal that socio-economic status in that society. Sometimes it also has been observed that girls are neglected in that family, and the boys are getting more care, more also nutritious food in comparison to the girls. Girls are not sending to that schools for better education, though nowadays it has been changed the scenario in some villages. We all know that in India, census actually held after every 10 years. So the last census held in 2011, and before that 2001. Till now 14 that successful census held, and in every census we have seen the number of females gradually increased are very slight rate. Now we will get to know about the sex ratio in some states of India. Here, according to the year, that here not the census wise properly given every year how the number of females changed, that we are getting to see. And here so all the states, if you will see that maximum sex ratio, that number of females you will see in the state of Kerala. And in the map of India, different states it's showing. Now you get to see here the different that numbers of females per thousands of male, by using of different colors it is showing here. In that index or legend box you are getting to see the colors uses here. Now students, see here, in Kerala the highest number of females we can see per thousands of male, and in Chandigarh the number of female are less or lowest in number of thousands of male. Okay, here state wise you can get to see the dark color that showing Kerala at the southwest part, and other states which are having light color having low sex ratio. So here we got to know that Kerala is having high sex ratio in India, and Chandigarh, that is in Haryana, having lowest sex ratio in India. Students, do you know in all over the world that UAE countries basically are having that lowest sex ratio, means their number of males are more than the number of females. But Latvia, one of the country of situated in between Asia and Europe, they are having high sex ratio. Do you know why European countries having good or favorable sex ratio? Because the females are having good socio-economic status. They are not dependent. They are independent and socio-economically independent. In our country, the average sex ratio according to 2011 census is 940 females per thousands of male. And we are expecting that in near future the number of females will be favorable in comparison to the males. See students, how the number of females are increasing per thousands of males according to the census. So students, hope you have understood what is sex ratio, which state is having highest and lowest sex ratio, and what are the reasons behind the unfavorable sex ratio in India. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet with some new information.